If you want to add a photo to a specific contact on your Motorola smartphone, first we're gonna open the phone app. Next, we need to open the list of contacts, so we can tap on View Contacts in here on the home page, or tap on these three lines in the upper left corner, and then go to Contacts here. Now choose the contact for which you want to add a picture. We're gonna use this pen in the upper right corner, and then tap on this avatar in here. Now you can choose the picture that should be used for that contact. You can either open the camera and take a picture right now, you can open the gallery, switch to Google Photos, you can also set up a monogram or choose an illustration over here. In my case, I'm gonna go to gallery and we're gonna choose an example photo. There we go. We can zoom in, adjust the photo quite easily, rotate the photo in case you want to do so, and then we can tap on choose at the bottom of the screen, and then we can use save in the upper right corner. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.